What is going on? This is your girl Adriana coming to you from beautiful California. Yesterday, I launched the opportunity with the 5-figure month formula. I'm super excited for all the people that are ready to get started. I think it's going to be a really, really awesome way to end the year and start the year. Um, so I just wanted to go ahead and show the back office. A lot of people have been saying, hey, like, can you explain more on the features that the system consist of? And before I do that, I just want to, talk about again where you earn the 100% commissions. You can earn the $250 commissions, or you can earn the $500 commissions, or the $1,000 commissions. At the higher level, you do receive access to all the lower levels, and you do position yourself to earn on every single level. So that's the awesome thing about that. Again, I do explain this more on the website, 5-figure monthformula.com. Take a look at the full details there. And of course, you have that capacity to earn the $25 per month residual income for every single team member that comes in, which is really awesome. So the special fast action bonuses, again, I'm going to explain it again because some people are a little bit confused about that. Coming in at the 1K level, I will be adding you to my personal traffic rotator. The company already has its own traffic rotator for every single person that comes in at the $1,000 level. Okay, so you already automatically get added to that. But this right here is my team's personal team rotator, where I'm gonna grab your link and send some traffic to your link to get you up and running. And again, the second special fast action bonus is you're gonna have access to be able to offer vacation vouchers to your team members, just because I've seen that it's really, really high converting with other business opportunities that I'm currently working with the Latino community and the English community. So I know this definitely will kick those conversions up. Number 3, private coaching group. You're going to be added to my personal private coaching group, where I'm going to give you some extra additional training to get you up and running. And then I'm also doing personalized pages, right? Showing the bonuses. That way people know, hey, it's not just what I'm getting with a company, which is a lot of value, but you're also going to get, they're going to be able to see these additional bonuses that, that you're also going to be included in. And of course, this is a special offer where you can have a one-on-one 1-hour session with me, just to get you up and running. You can ask me any questions you'd like. I've been working full-time from home for almost 7 years now, right? Using this business model, affiliate marketing. So I'll definitely be teaching you what my strategies have been for the past almost 7 years. And it really hasn't changed much, right? It's just getting into that rhythm of success and showing up every single day to work your business. So that is the special offer. Now, this is very important. I can only offer this to 10 people. 10 people only. I do have a couple more spots left, so 10 people only. I'm going to be offering this to, and so take action today. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you what I wanted to show you with the back office of this opportunity. And you get 10 pages, right? 10 pages the company gives you. You can choose which one you want to use to market this opportunity. And as you can see right here, these are all the different pages that you can use. The really cool thing, right, that I've seen a lot of people ask me, hey, it would be really cool if we can add our own video, our own personalized video. And with this opportunity, you can actually do that. You can go here, okay, and then you can upload your video on Vimeo or YouTube, and then you can add it to your page, to your affiliate link page, and you can, promote that affiliate link to grow this opportunity, right? Some people love making their own videos, and that's fine. So this is what I did. I actually took one of those capture pages, okay, and I just added my own video. People come here, they enter their email address. Once they click on get access, it's going to take them to sign up directly with you. So that's really, really cool that the company creator gave us this option, right, to make it more personable. So that's really awesome that you're able to do that. And now here, when you are building your team, you're going to be able to add your own different streams of income. So if you're somebody that is working maybe with a higher ticket, or you're working with a lower ticket and you want to offer that, or you're working with an opportunity where, sorry, people are asking me here for info, or you are, just offering any other opportunity, you can add it in the back office and your team members will be able to see that once they join you. Okay. And you have the 21-day challenge. That's what I'm leading with for the rest of the month of September. We're going to do the 21-day challenge, get you up and running your first week, get you into the right mindset, into creating that plan for you. Second week, learning how to generate leads, right? If you can have one strategy that you can tackle and use that strategy on a consistent basis to generate leads, I think that's going to be a phenomenal way to get started. Week number 3 is taking massive action. What you are learning, what you have learned, start implementing that to start creating those results. And of course, the amount of success, I always say this is so important, the amount of success that you will create is solely up to you. It's down to you, how your mindset is, how much work and dedication are you putting towards the business, right? Because you can have somebody over here, making $1,000 a day, but their work ethic might be different from yours, right? Or you might have a stronger ethic than them, right? It all comes down to every single individual. It's another question that I get a lot. So that's what I wanted to show you. And then also really cool thing is that there's a built-in autoresponder. So if you currently do not have an autoresponder, you're going to have a built-in autoresponder where you're going to be able to reach out to all your prospects, the people that, have asked for information, they have not joined, and the system is going to be sending out email follow-ups on behalf of you to help you close your sales. So super excited about that. Now the compensation plan is amazing. What you want to do to take a look at how the compensation plan works and how you can start building that monthly residual income, go visit my website. Go to 5figuremonthformula.com. That's the number 5figuremonthformula.com and watch that video. It's a little bit long, but trust me, you want to really understand and see how powerful this is. So take action today. Other than that, this is a review for the Resellers Club Marketing System. Take a look at the full details. Other than that, I will see you at the top. Ciao, ciao.